The first trimester is crucial for the baby's development. To keep both mother and baby healthy, it's important to avoid certain activities and habits during this time. Here are things you should never do in the first trimester. Smoking increases the risk of miscarriage, preterm birth, and low birth weight. It also raises the risk of birth defects. Alcohol can interfere with the development of the baby and lead to fetal alcohol syndrome, which causes physical and cognitive defects. Over-the-counter and prescription medications may not be safe for the baby during pregnancy. Always consult your healthcare provider before taking any medication. High amounts of caffeine can increase the risk of miscarriage and low birth weight. It's best to reduce your intake during pregnancy. High levels of stress can affect both your mental and physical health. Try to practice stress-relieving techniques like meditation, yoga, or breathing exercises. While regular, moderate exercise is good for pregnancy, intense or high-impact workouts can put unnecessary strain on your body and may not be safe for the developing baby. Excessive heat can increase the risk of birth defects, especially during the first trimester. Hot tubs, saunas, or any environments that raise your body temperature too high should be avoided. Foods like sushi, raw meat, and unpasteurized cheeses may carry harmful bacteria or parasites that can lead to infections, putting your baby at risk. Avoid exposure to toxic chemicals, such as cleaning agents, pesticides, or paint that can affect your health and the baby's development. Some hair dyes, skin treatments, and nail products may contain chemicals not recommended for use during pregnancy. Check with your healthcare provider before using any beauty products. Prenatal vitamins, especially folic acid, are essential during the first trimester for proper fetal development. Nature-made prenatal multivitamin provides essential vitamins and minerals, including iron and calcium, to support the health of both mother and baby. It includes vitamin C and vitamin D to help support the immune system during pregnancy. Folic acid in the multivitamins helps reduce the risk of neural tube defects. It's essential to maintain a balanced, nutritious diet. Extreme dieting or weight loss can deprive your body of essential nutrients needed for the baby's development. It's important to maintain a balanced and healthy diet to support both your well-being and your baby's growth during pregnancy. Always communicate with your healthcare provider to ensure you are following the best practices for a healthy pregnancy.